If I am looking at hair loss, one of the oldest remedies is rubbing onion juice on them, and this is not a gimmick. Onion juice contains sulfur, and we know that our hair has these sulfur bonds, which gives our hair the strength. So onion juice actually helps to strengthen the hair lengths.
So it is true that onion juice will give me Rapunzel-like hair. Wow, interesting. People think natural is equal to safe. Is that true?
Natural is safe, but natural may not be suitable for everyone. There's a science to each of these kitchen products, and if we understand what it does, how it works, we can, make ourselves some customized DIY products that should work for our skin types.
Hello and welcome back to Clinically Approved. From honey mask to lemon scrub, the internet is full of natural hacks, but are these DIY tricks really safe, or can they cause more harm than good? Today, we're busting myths around natural skincare with Dr. Sarkar. When we scroll online, we see things like applying turmeric, toothpaste, and even lemon juice directly on skin. People think natural is equal to safe. Is that true?
Well, I definitely recommend your, what is known as the kitchen pharmacy from time to time. I feel it's a great source of getting sometimes your required vitamins or nourishing products. So Riya, natural is safe, but natural may not be suitable for everyone. So now we know that lemon is a great source of vitamin C, which is very good for most skin types. It prevents aging, it protects from sun damage, it also heals dark spots and pigmentation. But applying directly raw lemon juice on the skin can also be very irritating, because remember, this is citric acid. It's a strong enzyme, and somebody may have a very delicate or sensitive skin, and the citric acid can cause more harm. It can cause over exfoliation, and then they go out in the sun without a sunscreen protection. It can end up working like a strong peel. So as long as we know how to use it, we might need to dilute it in dilute it in water, or dilute it with honey, something which is hydrating, or with glycerin. It may work well, provided we are able to phase it out, like maybe use it twice a week initially to understand how your skin is taking it. So you just need to understand the science behind each of these kitchen skincare. So like I just spoke about lemon, it's the same with turmeric. As long as your turmeric is sourced from organic sources and it is safe, it is great. But if it is adulterated turmeric, we can actually end up with more rashes. And it goes for almost all the kitchen, products that we use on our face.
So sometimes people use wrong products for their face, especially DIY products. So why do you think people fall for these?
Well, natural is always very attractive. I have to say that it is attractive, and rightly so. And also the easy availability of these products. It doesn't cost the earth to buy an expensive skincare. You're getting all of it, which is coming from your own kitchen. So the availability, the affordability, plus combined with a lot of grandma's tales or the stories of older people in your household who might have used besan and turmeric and haldi to get great skin. Because at that time, these products, good skincare was not available. So they had no options. But remember, if they could not spell out the science behind these products, they definitely knew how to use them correctly. They knew how to balance them. So I think that is something that the younger generation needs to understand. There's a science to each of these kitchen products, and if we understand what it does, how it works, we can, make ourselves some customized DIY products that should work for our skin types.
So let's go through some of the popular ones. Toothpaste on pimples.
Absolutely horrendous and not recommended.
Sugar or salt scrub.
Again, I would say you have to use this with caution, because if the granules in the sugar or the salt is very large, it can actually cause more abrasion. It can cause micro tears in the skin, and that can be more irritating.
Neem on skin.
Great antiseptic.
Okay.
It may not work as an antibiotic, but it's definitely an antiseptic.
If not lemon or toothpaste, what actually works? What do you suggest our viewers to use?
Clay masks are great for oily skin. We know that they sort of unclog the pores. They also absorb the impurities when they are being washed. So when they are dried, they actually absorb a lot of impurities and the skin comes clean. So for oily skin, I would recommend clay masks like Multani Mitti. You can also add a pinch of turmeric to it for the extra antioxidant protection. Dry skin, think milk, curd, they're all great because they have lactic acid, they soften the skin, and they are known as natural bleaching agents. So they could be safe for dull, uneven skin tone.
So what about hair, doctor? What DIY mask or ingredient should I use on my hair?
If we are talking about dandruff, I would say you can definitely use curd or diluted lemon juice to get rid, because they are exfoliating in nature. They can help to descale the scalp, provided we are not using it too often and too concentrated. If I am looking at hair loss, one of the oldest remedies is rubbing onion juice on them, and this is not a gimmick. Onion juice contains sulfur, and we know that our hair has these sulfur bonds, which gives our hair the strength. So onion juice actually helps to strengthen the hair lengths, and if applied over time, you can get stronger hair and less breakages.
So it is true that onion juice will give me Rapunzel like hair. Wow, interesting. So the next time you see viral hair care or skincare hack, remember, not everything natural is safe. Our skin and hair deserve science, not experiments. Thank you so much.